In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to dark mode in Asana. If you spend a lot of time working on Asana, you know how important it is to have a comfortable viewing experience. Switching to dark mode can help reduce eye strain and give your application a sleek, modern look. So, let's dive right into it and make this change together. To begin, open your Asana application. When you're working on your projects, notice your profile picture or initials at the top right corner of the screen. It's your gateway to customizing Asana. Go ahead and click on your profile. This will reveal a menu where you'll find several options to personalize your experience. Next, we want to access the settings, so click on the Settings option from this drop-down menu. This action summons a new window that houses all sorts of configurable settings for your Asana account. Once inside the Settings window, your attention should land on the Display tab. This is where all the visual magic happens. In this section, you have control over your theme and the appearance of various interface elements. It's designed in a way that allows you to tailor your environment to suit your aesthetic and functional preferences. Now, shifting to dark mode is just a few clicks away. In the Display tab, you'll find a range of theme options available to you. Look for the option to change your theme here. You'll see several choices that let you play around with different aesthetics. For a darker appearance, you'll want to choose the option that says Dark. This will transform the general look of your Asana into an inviting dark theme. It's particularly beneficial for evening and late-night work sessions, as it provides a soothing contrast against the bright elements and helps minimize eye fatigue. While you are in the Display tab, you might notice the settings to adjust the colors of your sidebar and top bar as well. These are the bars that frame your workspace, and changing them to a dark tone can provide a seamless, unified feel to your interface. For a clean, cohesive look, you can switch the sidebar and top bar colors to black. This combination of theme and color creates a consistent, calm visual workspace, and that's all there is to it. You've now successfully switched to dark mode in Asana, providing yourself with a more comfortable and visually appealing environment. It's a small change that can make a big difference in your daily work habits. You can always come back to the same settings if you wish to try out other themes or revert to a lighter mode. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new dark mode in Asana.